Today's Thursday, February 10th. New York opens in 7 minutes. I'm currently in this trade looking at it as a inverted head and shoulders. I am red by roughly $800 on this account right now. Trying to catch. I was up by about 1,000 and I wiped it out trying to catch this. You'll be able to hear my side of the conversations of the server that I'm in. If you have any questions, take a screenshot and message me in one of the servers we share. Well, the momentum's only going up recently. But the 3-minute momentum's only been going up recently. Yeah, until we get into the bottom where stopping power started to come in. Interesting thing this morning, though, is we have had opening market volume since the report. It hasn't gone away. I'm going to move to break even for imbalance. No, I won't. I won't. I mean, we're right here on this downtrend here. Copy that over. Oh, yeah. I am anxious though coming into the open. I really wanted to have my stop in profit on the open. Or it's yeah, 50. Break even. Taking one off. And break even on the others. Taking one off. Moving to break even. Poked my trail up to the bottom of that pullback that happened. Just a point into profit, it'll cover commissions. Right. Taking one off. Gonna let this one run. So Goldman said yesterday that interest rate hikes had been baked into current price. And, you know, I don't know that it's going to be baked in until they actually announce, but every 6 weeks that goes by, they're closer to actually doing it. Well, I think I think the test is, does this floor hold, right? Is that what you mean? Yeah. This was actually a this was actually a key level that we popped down to. I zoom out and look at the 2 hour, actually even the daily, I think. Yeah, we've got price action on that level going back to July 2021. Yeah, 23% is giving us a little resistance. The 38% is actually the same, is actually on top of the S1. I like it. Didn't 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 take out the 31, the 38%. Yeah, we didn't take that out. Yeah. Yeah, I think I see the 38 and then the 41 right below it, and I just put the two together. Let's go with that. All right, we've got a trend, a little bit of a trend defining move. We can draw a trend line on that. Yep. If you're still negative, I would hold it because I think we're at least headed to VWAP. I think VWAP is a very safe place. So I'm going to raise my trail up. That's going to give another 20 points, so that's another $400. What I like about that VWAP is it's closing in on a 50% retracement from the drop. Yeah. Yeah, right now it's just above it. That would be a good location for it to get to on the 3 minute, and then for the 3 minute to create its first flag. Oh no, I would be looking for it to create a flag. Yeah, I can't really call it a flag if it's just one red candle. And yeah, yeah, yeah. I got you. Another flag on the 1 minute, maybe. Yeah, that's the 41% retracement. If it were still headed down, I think that might have been it. That's a heck of a triangle breakout to trade back to the triangle. planning to I'm planning to let it do a little pullback at VWAP and hold it. I'm gonna hold it. Yeah. Actually, it is a little bit. Finally, something resembling a flag on the 3 minute. I got 30 points locked in on this guy, so I'm all right with that. It's okay if it does. I'll just re-enter right about where my current price is. I've got my 38% is right here. Oh, okay. I like the notion of this being a flag. Um, it can do a couple of things, right? It can create a W here, or we can just flag and go up. There are no more reports today. So this is a really nice flag. Yeah, this is a nice flag, so I'm gonna move up a little bit more. So now I've locked in 50 points of profit. I think if I look to the left, let's see, what is this on the fall? The 78%. The 78% is the floor that we had in our flag here. So I think we're headed through the 61. Yeah, we are. Yeah, I do believe we're going to see a full retracement of it. Might be a little flag because I'm looking at this as being a third drive. Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't be short in this. I'd be looking for long entries. This trend line. It's funny how trend lines work like this. Watch this. I'm going to paste this on there. This original trend line here, we broke through it horizontally to create a new trend defining move, but we're still kind of honoring that level. What about, where's my drawing tool for an AB equals CD on this guy? Put you on there. Raise you up to there. You know what? I'm gonna choke this trail up. No, I'm not. I'm not. I don't want the I don't want the fourth wave flag to take me out. Yeah, that's a good point. The 9 minute momentum has flipped all the way back to positive again. Oh, yeah, I started to draw that trend line earlier and just forgot to. Oh, hey, another thing, Robbie. AB equals CD. I drew the rectangle on my chart. Yeah, that's the AB. It hit it exactly. AB equals CD. Did what? AB equals CD is a real harmonic formation. I just think the momentum's too strong to come back to the B. Oh, they showed us how to like draw the box and drag the box to measure it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that was He Who Shall Not Be Named that was on our last server. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Got rich. Yeah, Chapman just everything just worked out and he's living on dividends. Your wife loves the notion of a farm, man. She just doesn't want to work it. She likes she likes having all the livestock. She probably gives them names. You could hobby farm, just not be too serious about it. Keep the ag exemption going. Yeah, just keep it small. Mm, yeah, I don't know about that because yeah, I wouldn't want to commute. Yeah, yeah. Well, you would basically have my notion on commuting when you've got two different office locations is you should drive to the farthest away office for your morning, and then at lunchtime drive to the closest office so that your trip home at the end of the workday is shortest. That's that's how I subscribe to life. How much how much acreage do you have? Yeah. Yeah, this 3 minute bar closes. I'm dragging this body up the stairs. Ooh. Hey, all right, we've been doing this lately. Take a look at your 30-second and your 1 minute flag. We have an opening triangle. That's a sign of indecision as to if this is a fair market price or not. We got a higher high, and then a lower low, and a higher high, where it's a little bit of indecision. I think people are getting scared at this level, and no one's really wanting to buy in after such a climb. And have a giant back area. Hmm. Hit the daily pivot. This is the level I this is the level I expect resistance at there. I was actually thinking, do I close it now or do I wait for it to get to 200? Because I'm pretty sure this flag here is going to break now. Because I think we've got one, two, three. That's AB equals CD, and then a fourth, fifth wave. So I'm gonna close it here. That's what we're gonna do. You hit my profit target, and one thing I've learned is if you hit my profit target and you give me a flag on the 22nd, I'm gonna trail that 22nd flag. Actually, I think that is it. I think that's as high as it's going to get without retracing. So I'm gonna move to the bottom of this wick. Oh, trust this thing about as far as I can throw it. You know, this is hilarious. My wife plays this game on her Switch called Animal Crossing, and they have this thing called the stalk market, and they sell turnips. And this pig comes around Sal Jones to trade with, and it's called the Sal Jones Stalk Market. She's made millions trading freaking turnips. She's basically doing foreign exchange. She's in this group that kind of broadcasts what their prices are on different islands. You have to buy them on your home island, and then she shops around other islands that have a higher conversion rate, and she goes there to sell her turnips. Yeah, she's basically playing a forex for turnips in the video game. Freaking, she's arbing turnips in her in Animal Crossing. This 20-second candle closes higher. You know what? I'm trailing this week anyways. It's up there. There we go. Did I get it? Woo! I got it just in time. So 974 minus 753 is 221 points. Yep. Yeah, this yeah, if you're looking at a higher time frame, this could this should probably just you take a magic eraser and remove it from your chart because I think price is going to go back and, enter the symmetrical triangle and then start doing what it was going to do all along. Yep. Yeah, this is the first proper bull flag on the 3 minute because none of the other red candles on the 3 minute close below the body of their blue one. So we never really had a pullback until now. Is doing good to the best of my knowledge. He's I don't know what he's up, but he had whittled down his trail and his trial a little bit, and he's within a couple $100 of having it whole. So I think he's probably up a few $100 on the day. All right, so that is it for my open session trading today. Glad you guys were able to see what a longer trade like that can look like. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout. But if you take a look at the consolidation that happened down here, see it on the 1 minute, look at the massive divergence that was happening on MACD and look at the divergence that was showing up on the 3 minute. So if you take a look at those 1 and 3s, that was showing, some good upside pressure. If you take a look at the stochastics, my MTF indicators, you can see them gaining in strength as well. That's why I was long biased. I was at a key price level and I was seeing the balance of power shifting. And then with the opening volume, that gave us exactly what we needed to push. And typically on big news events like this, you get at least a 50% retrace. So I was watching price as we got up close to the 50%. It still looked strong as we were coming up on that level, which was also VWAP. And since it was so strong, I decided to not tighten the stop up and let it run further up. It basically exceeded an AB equals CD for a decent little fifth wave up there on the 1 minute, reaching horizontal support that is visible on the right chart. If you have any questions, hit me up on one of the servers we share. Thanks.